The camera I use when there are any other options is my iPhone camera. This one. Some say the best camera is the one you have on you, but I disagree. The best camera is the one you enjoy using, and I don't enjoy using this one. Not as much as I like using my other ones. But it is a great camera though. If you don't have any other options, it will do the job. I avoid using it at all costs unless I'm scanning receipts. It is the best camera for scanning receipts next to a printer. The printer scanner is a one-shot shot, whereas the phone camera tends to shake because I'm holding it and I get a continuous error message that says I'm not holding it straight. The printer scanner is much easier. Don't get me wrong, this camera is great. It comes with filters, take awesome shots that capture a great deal of detail and can automatically make you look a little more beautiful with this beauty editing, which is great if you don't like editing your photos and like to smack on a filter. I'm guilty of doing this sometimes. What can I say? Shortcuts have their benefits. Although there is some editing and processing that happens, you could take some high quality photos with your iPhone camera. I guess in a sense, the best camera is the one you have on you, even if it's this one. This is the hashtag camera I use as a last resort. It's small, compact, can fit in your pocket depending on the one you have, and it can make and take calls, manage your life, and so much more. But if you're like me, you always have a camera on you, and you use your phone to binge on social media, which is what I want to do right now. And that is it for today. Stay awesome.